Are you noticing one side of your body is stronger or more developed than the other? You might be dealing with a muscle imbalance. Muscle imbalances are common, but they can lead to poor posture, increased injury risk, and inefficient workouts. Step 1. Identify the imbalance. Pay close attention to your form during exercises. You might also consider a professional assessment from a physiotherapist or a certified trainer. Step 2. Incorporate unilateral exercises. These are exercises that work one side of your body at a time, like single-arm dumbbell rows, single-leg deadlifts, or single-leg squats. They help ensure both sides develop equally. Step 3. Use resistance bands. They can help activate and strengthen weaker muscles. Bands allow for controlled movement and constant tension, which is perfect for correcting imbalances. Step 4. Focus on your core. A strong core is crucial for maintaining balance and stability in all movements. Incorporate planks, side planks, and rotational exercises. Step 5. Don't forget flexibility and mobility. Regular stretching and mobility work can improve muscle function and help correct imbalances. Muscle imbalances can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can fix them. Remember to be patient and consistent. Your body will thank you.